young lady was 4th honors, Best in Filipino, an SSG representative, contributor in the school organ, and participant in the play Ni Ultimo Adios, Maunawing Pagbasa division level, and jingle contest in Nutrition Month in her first year. In her second year, she was again the 4th honors, Best in Filipino, 2nd place in Maunawing Pagbasa division level, 3rd place in a skirting competition during the Nutrition Month, 2nd place in essay writing contest during the Family Month, participant in Project Citizens and Liab 08. She was the literary editor of the Lakestone Gazette. 3rd year, she was 2nd honors, Best in Filipino, Best in English, 3rd place in Maunawing Pagbasa division level, a participant in journalism contest and in the Lori Natividad Forum. She was a member of GSP and the literary editor of the Lakestone Gazette. This year, she won 1st place in Maunawing Pagbasa division level, 9th place in journalism contest, 1st place in role-playing during the Education Week, a member of GSP which won in the GSP Song and Yell contest, participant in reading proficiency in NCR, journalism contest, NCR, Vadak Jingle contest. She was the SSG secretary, SADAP secretary, treasurer of English Club, and the literary editor of Bagong Tinig, the school organ. She will be receiving a bronze medal from Lawang Bato National High School and a certificate of gift of knowledge from STI. Ladies and gentlemen, 2nd honorable mention, Angelique S. Tabuzo. 1st honorable mention, Ralph Kenneth V. Brilliant. This thorn among the roses is William Maximilian. He was 2nd honors, Best in Science, 3rd place in Nutrition Month Quiz B, 5th place in MTOP district level, 3rd place in MTOP Kamanaba, and an SSG representative during his first year. 2nd year, he was 3rd honors, 6th in MTOP district level, 1st in MTOP Kamanaba, 3rd in table skirting contest, participant in MTOP MCR, Project Citizen, and Inside Dama, and was the 2nd year SSG representative. In his 3rd year, he was 4th honors, Best in Mathematics, 5th in MTOP district level, the Vice President of SSG, Vice President of Science Club, Auditor of Pop Ed Club. This year, he was the Mathematician of the Year, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science, a GMA awardee in Science and Technology, and in Skills Development and Entrepreneurship. 5th place in Pop Ed Quiz B, 3rd place in Techno Quiz B, 4th in Math Quiz B, 7th in MTOP district level, 6th in MTOP Kamanaba, 4th in Tagisan ng Talino. He was the president of the Junior Graph Watch Unit, the vice president of the TLE Club, the secretary of the Top Ed Club, and the PIO of the English Club. He will be receiving a bronze medal from Lawang Bato National High School and certificates of gift of knowledge from STI. Ladies and gentlemen, 1st honorable mention, Ralph Kenneth V. Brillante. Let's give way to our salutatorian, Griselle O. David. She was 5th honors, 6th in news writing, Division Secondary School Press Conference, 4th in essay writing, the news editor of the Lakestone Gazette, a participant in news writing, Counselor Lori Natividad Forum in her first year. In her 2nd year, she was 6th honor, 5th place in the news writing Liab 07, PNU regional level, the news editor of the Lakestone Gazette. She was a participant in Lori Natividad Forum, in Project Citizen, and in the Division Campus Journalism Seminar. 3rd year, she was 3rd honors, 4th in News Writing Liab 08 PNU regional level. Best Copy Reader of the Year, Mayor Wins Forum, was the news and copy editor of the Lakestone Gazette, a participant in News Writing DSSPC, Division Campus Journalism Seminar, and in the Regional Campus Journalism Seminar. This year, she was 1st in Strategic Intervention Material school level, 1st in role-playing during the Education Week, 2nd in GSP Jingle Making Contest, district level, 3rd in the division level, 9th in Pagwawasto at Pag-uulo ng Balita, participant in MTOP, Pagwawasto at Pag-uulo, and Pagkuha ng Larawan Regional Secondary School Press Conference, Badak Jingle Making, Division Campus Journalism, Regional Campus Journalism, and in World Press Photo Exhibit 09. She was the copy and literary editor of Bagong Tinig. the Secretary of Junior Grassroots Unit, the Secretary of English Class, and a member of GSP. She will be receiving a silver medal from Lawang Bato National High School, a certificate of gift of knowledge from STI, and Congressman Rex Gatchalian Congressional Award for Academic Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our salutatorian, Grisel O. David. We have saved the best for last, the crème de la crème, the one that stood among them all. The class of 2010 valedictorian, Queenie S. Francisco. She was third honors, best in English, best in social studies, best in values education, third in essay writing, school level, participant in the Lori Natividad Journalist Forum, and in Mi Ultimo Adios, a contributor in the Lexon Gazette in her first year. Second year, she was first honors, best in English, best in social studies, best in TLE, third in the Nutri-Quiz, a participant in the Regional Secondary School Press Conference in the Liab CO7 in PNU. She was the class vice president, the assistant editor-in-chief of the school organ, and the second year SSG representative. In her third year, she once again the first honors, best in social studies, a Mayor Wins Discipline Awardees, third in the Division Secondary School Press Conference, third in the STEP Techno-Quiz Division level. She was the best in social studies, best in MAPE, best in values education, a GMA Academic Excellence Awardee, a GMA Student Leadership Awardee, fourth in Tagisan ng Talino, third GSP Quiz B District level, second in GSP Quiz B Division level, third in STEP Techno-Quiz, second in DHSPC. She was a participant in World Press Photo Exhibit, Division and Regional Training for Journalism, and in the ASEAN Quiz B. She was a GSP member, the assistant editor-in-chief of Bagong Tinig, vice president of the English Club, president of School Anti-Drug Abuse Council, and the president of Supreme Student Government. She will be receiving a gold medal from Lawang Bato National High School, the Jose P. Laurel medal and certificates, the City Government of Valenzuela Outstanding Leadership Award, the Congressman Rex Gatchalian Congressional Award for Academic Excellence, and the Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand to our valedictorian, Queenie S. Francisco. Let us now listen. Let us welcome back our valedictorian, Queenie S. Francisco, for her valedictory speech.
City official of the local government of Valenzuela, our hard-working and devoted city mayor, Honorable Sherwin T. Gatchalian, and from the Department of Education, Division of Valenzuela, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Flor de Lisa R. Mayari, our MAPE supervisor, Mrs. Victoria D. Altoveros,